We're working on problem 6.32. We've already done the physical flow schedule, and actually we didn't redo it. It's identical to 6.31 because physical flow is physical flow. Equivalent units for FIFO, we did that. So it's definitely slightly different than for weighted average because we're actually assuming that the actual work in process actually came out and then the next ones that came in. Now we're going to compute the actual per unit cost. So we're going to take our current period costs only and we're going to divide them by our equivalent units. And it's pretty simple. Actually, FIFO is pretty simple once you figure out your equivalent units. So use only your current period costs. So our direct materials cost for the current period, which is just what they gave us, was 2,565,000 divided by what we calculated to be our direct material equivalent units, which was the 94,500, and that ends up being equal to 27.143. So $27.14.3. The conversion costs, again, only the current period, and we calculated that, so I'm just going to remind you, right? The current period cost was our overhead plus our direct labor, so that 5,871,150 divided by our equivalent units of 116,775 equals $50.27.7. So if we add those up, we get $77.42. All right, so that is the answer to the question. What is our total cost per unit using FIFO? And it is $77.42. So not a lot different from weighted average. However, keep in mind we're producing thousands and thousands of units, and certainly if you're producing something like pencils, you might even be producing millions. So a 38 cents per unit difference could actually become quite material. All right, so the last video for problem 6.32, we're going to go through the reconciliation of our costs of goods transferred out and our reconciliation of work in process. All right, so going to stop here and move to the last part of this problem.